Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is the 33rd day of the coding process. And in today's video, we will be finishing this little project right here. I can't say, I don't know why that happens. I can't say for sure that the project will be done forever. I can't say that we won't come back and change more about it. But it's going to be done for the time being. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to add a RPM, which if you don't know what an RPM is, it's rotations per minute. And it is referring to the wheels, by the way. So what we're going to want to do is create the Text Mesh Pro. Got the text. I call it RPM, ROPM, RPOM. And it's going to say RPM and colon space go. Where is it? I don't. F. Are you there? And why can I not see you in the play view? It's not like viewable, which is weird, but whatever. We're going to center it in the top right. X position. Oh, shit. Okay. The X position, Control C. Then, God damn it, I pressed Control C again. Control C. Control V. And then position, not that low. Let's hit position 0 for now. -39. C. I just want it on top of there and then I hit it. But it seems to still not be on the play screen. I don't know why. Oh shit. I'm sure that's fine. Oh. It's tiny. What? Why is it so small? Shit. This was 50. Yeah. The text is still tiny too. What font is this set at? 36. Font size is also set at 36. Why is it so small? Auto size? Sure. That didn't work at all. There was one setting that I needed to turn off. I need to turn off wrapping. Disable. Don't know what that does, but I was supposed to turn it off for this too. I'm gonna go ahead and make this wider too. But I don't understand why this is super tiny. I'm trying to look at the differences in between the things, but there doesn't really seem to be a difference. Just this one's tiny for some reason. Let's try and if I create another one, will it also be tiny? Bro. Oh, I bet I know what happened. I made this is okay, no, it's not. Okay, I don't know what I did. 3D object, XMesh Pro. It's also tiny. Okay. Uh, what if we create a 3D object, TextMesh Pro right here, and then drag it into the canvas? Okay. Shift and drag it into the canvas. Then it should be big. God also tiny. Why are these so tiny? All right, go ahead. Go ahead and give me a minute. Alrighty, so I finally found the issue. It was how I created the Text Mesh Pro. I did it in 3D Object. I was messing up, so I just went to UI and Text Mesh Pro. I don't really know what the difference is, why it wouldn't work, but whatever. RPM colon space. Let's name this RPM, enter, and get these positions correct. 16, 1, 16, negative 39. Feel as if I'm doing something wrong. I don't know why their coordinates don't line up, but you know, what if? I don't care. We'll just pretend that they do. No one will tell. You're not gonna tell, right? Right, that should work. Looks a little weird, but I also do not give a single crap. Disable wrapping. Hit play just to make sure it works. Obviously, it's not going to display the RPM. I don't have that coded in yet, but go. Still get going way too fast, but that's a problem that we can fix. Time. Anyways, onto the script that I have mostly forgotten what to type because of how long, but I actually read up back on what I was supposed to type. Otherwise, I would completely have forgotten. Anyways, we just need another. We need another Text Mesh Pro. I'm actually gonna put it down here with the other one. I don't know why I was putting it there. But we need. Oh, I didn't even need to copy that. Pro. Then Mesh Pro GUI. Call this one RPM text. Perfect. Control S. And then we're also gonna want to make a new float. Put the float here. Copy. Control V. Float. Float. Space. RPM. Ooh, who could have guessed? Why did I put a colon? All right. Don't worry. I'll explain all this stuff too. By the way, what it actually means. Okay, and now we are going to want to take the rotations and it equal it to half dot pound that we are going to want. Like this. So I know speed percentage 30. Gypsies. Multiplied by 40. And add the little ending thing right there. And what this is doing, by the way, taking the RPM, rounding it, and getting the speed, putting speed over 30 and multiplying it by 40. Yeah, it's still weird. Whatever. RPM text dot set. Remember to capitalize the S today. Set all dirty. What? Set X. String RPM space, then plus RPM. Hurrah. God dang it. Hurrah. This video is already confusing me. So if this manages to get like more than 10 views, I'll be surprised. Be surprised more. Whatever. Let's see. Click off him. And now when I move, I still don't know why that happens. When I move, I forgot to assign it, didn't I? Yes, I did. RPM right there. That, and I bet it's not going to work again. Yep. I don't know why that happened. All right, and there we go. Wondering like how the hell this works. I'll explain it. The RPM will go up to 1,200. And then it will end up resetting itself back down to 0, and then it will go back to 1,200, reset itself, and just do that over and over again for all of eternity. And my car goes way too fast. I honestly. So we are actually going. We are going to drag and give it 2. And this is not in the videos of what I'm supposed to do, but I don't want drag. All right. So that would work for like a tank, which is what this is. But like, that's too much for me. So we're gonna go ahead and set it to 1. And if 1's not enough, we'll go ahead and split the difference and do 1.5. All right. It's all up on this turn. Ooh, I think that's good. Yeah. Yeah. It does make falling a little bit weird because it also slows the falling, but I will just not pay attention to that. You know, it probably has something to do with it going like this fast. Probably has something to do with applying force to the body instead of each individual wheel. If I did each wheel individually, that would probably actually be better. Or all at once. I don't know. Whatever. On to the next thing. I'm back in here. I put that there, didn't I? There we go. Okay. Let me go finish what I'm doing. I'll be back. Alrighty. I have come back. Now it is time for code. Yeah. Now we are going to make it to where we can now no longer continue driving when our wheels are not on the ground. So we will start by making a series field. This carrot thing. Call it spider. Then we will call it all wheels. Someone walked in my room. All right, all wheels. We're actually going to go ahead and separate those. And then we will also make another serialized field here. What is now? Yeah, that's what we'll call it. Wheel is on ground. Then we are going to here and actually hit times right here because we are making our own little method thingy again. This one will be a Boolean. Is magnet again. All right, it's on ground. Add these guys. That guy right there. Capitalize the I. No, I didn't think so. I'll figure out that in a minute. It really doesn't matter. Wheel is on ground. There's there's a lot of code. It take a while to actually. What was it? It was for each. For oh, it's one word. For each wheel collider. Wheel. All wheels. That side too. Hit Control C. Nope. Enter. Damn it! I just really wanted it to do it for me. Okay, whatever. We now have this little guy right here. What are we supposed to type in it? It was the if statement. We're gonna put it in here. If still not enabled, it's. Jeez, people just keep walking in my room. This is a lot of code that I have to type out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and actually pause this, and I'll be right back when it's typed out. Alrighty, I went ahead and typed out all the code. It's just this, just a bit of using if stuffs. Basically, what all this is doing is checking if the wheels are on the ground, and if four wheels are on the ground, then it is going to let us move. If 4 wheels aren't on the ground, it's not going to let us move. Which I forgot to add the if statement right here. I'm glad I was looking back at the code, otherwise I would have forgot and not known what was wrong. But if is on ground, I think it was. Wheel is on ground. Plus plus. Is it supposed to be wheel on ground? I can't remember. I'm gonna put wheels on ground. If wheels on ground equal to plus plus. Because that's what I was supposed to do, right? I don't know. I might have just been able to put ground plus plus. Basically, this is an if statement that we are adding this to all of this. And this guy, and bam. So I don't think it's that. Just for the sake of not wanting to have to figure out what's wrong, I'm just actually gonna look. It's if is on ground. Okay. So I was right in the beginning. Is on ground. All right. Now we are going to go ahead and switch to Unity. First, make sure I'm still recording. I indeed am. And we are going to want to add the list because our list is currently empty. We want it to be 4. And now we are going to drink the environment, open our cool tank, add, okay, nope. What was that in? Was that in player? Yes. Drag wheel 1 there. That's front left, front right, rear left, and rear right. Go. Now, hopefully, I can't say for sure, but hopefully this works. Of course, it's gonna do that little bug. All right, and we'll be able to tell if I can move by. Oh, yep, can't stop it. All right, but that is not. This is the end of the video, or the end of this little project. It is. That was the end of it. Making you not. Seriously, don't know why that happens. But. Oh. But making you not be able to drive if you're not touching the ground is what the. Okay, I don't know what's wrong. That's what it was. But as you could see, one of my wheels went off, and then it's like, oh, you can't drive anymore, which would suck if like you were playing a map like a game like this. You can't get close to the end. Jeez, I want to draw. I want to test it. What is wrong? Come on. What the hell is wrong with you? Front angle. Turn your mesh collider back on. Doesn't do anything. Stops it from tipping forward, but it like just wobbles. It's the wheels and their stupid wheel colliders doing that, but why? I want you to move forward, please. Okay, what if we just go on all the wheels and radius, set it to 8.5. Set the radius to 8.5. Just shrink the radius a little bit on all the wheels. 8.5. 8.5. And last wheel, 8.5. There we go. I don't know if that's going to fix it or anything, but yeah, I was kind of just hoping it would. Turn the front tank back off. I honestly don't know why this doesn't. Let's take our center of mass up. It tilt more. I don't want it to be able to like tilt like that. Why does it have so much tilt? Why is there so much of it? Let's go ahead and close that. Okay, let's see. Is it like a horsepower problem? Oh, it's not a horsepower problem. Is it a speed problem? Oh, because speed gets set to 0, so does RPM. Okay, so I'm going to assume it is a... Set to 0? What's that going to... Whoa. That makes it not even, like, move forward. Huh. Center of mass is already, like, a thing that I have. I guess the object still has its own center of mass. It was at 0.5. Wherever it was center of mass. It was at 0, 0.5. And I'm actually going to move it on the z-axis. negative 0.5, just a little bit farther back. Yeah, it doesn't really do anything. I was just kind of seeing what. I guess go in the wheels. Mass. I lower the mass of all of them. I could select all of them. And I'm doing this all in play mode, by the way, so that I don't have to undo all the stuff that I do mistakenly. Nope. Wheel dampening rate. Let's turn that up really high, see what it actually does. Nope. Aw. Suspension distance 0. Okay, well that doesn't work at all. Let's see if I can. Nope. Okay. Suspension distance. Well, let's just control Z. Suspension distance. Shit. Then we'll turn it up. What? This is actually kind of funny. I wanna go back in onto the. Oh. That was funny. Hold on, let's do that again. And you may be like, "Well, but your suspension's not there." Yeah, I know. I can just turn it back up. Okay. That's funny. Okay, so I think I might just need to turn the suspension distance up the tiniest bit. 0.4. Yes, now it's floating, but I don't care. It doesn't work. God damn it, I was really hoping that would work. When it goes up high enough, it works. Why is that? But if it lowers low enough, it doesn't work. Suspension distance 0.3. Nope. 0.6 is a nope. 0.1, still a nope. Jeez. 0.5. What does this do? What? Is that what we need? What does this do? Oh, that's this thingy. Oh, okay. Hold on. I might have an idea that might actually solve my problems. If I put this in the middle, will it work? No. But if I put it at 2, it'll be on the top of the wheels. And then it works. Let's go. The car is a little wibbly wobbly and not perfect in the slightest. But I mean, that works. Okay, let's try this. Let's try 1.5. It's funny when it just falls off like that. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with these suspensions. Forward friction, extreme slip. Extreme slip. I don't want to slip that much, like at all. So we're gonna turn this down to 2. Sideways friction down to 1. There overrides nothing. And I wonder if adding more mass to these would help. No. It was worth a shot, right? Let's go. Control C. All right, let's go ahead and please push the tank down. Why? I don't really know. I just thought it would be funny. And the tank moves. Moves. Good. And then it's dead. All right, yeah, whatever. Those slippages, that's what we're going to change. I know I don't know why it's causing me not to be able to, drive the car, but like, we're just going to pretend like that's not an issue. So then I don't have to fix it. If it's not an issue, it doesn't matter. Set this to 0 really quick just to see what we can do. Pretty sure when it's set to 0, I can like move around a bit. Nope. Okay. Seriously, what the hell? Nope, that didn't work. Why did that work? I was able to steer right then. All right, let's go ahead. Mess this up and then hit Control Z. And can I steer? Sorta. Oh, I was hitting the wrong button, that's why. Whatever. As you can see, it works perfectly well with no bugs in the slightest. Actually going to select objects 1 in here, select all of them. Actually, just steal the Y value. Go into objects and hit Control V. Get rid of the negative sign because it's negatives. And there we go. Now we have this guy with the actual objects in the way, which I moved out of the way while testing because, I don't know, just didn't want to move away. And go. I think part of the reason it worked, I was able to get it to work before, because it was in the air. That's why I think selecting the wheels and then resetting them actually lets me drive. Control Z. Can you hit Control Z while you're in the play view? Yes, you can. Z. God damn it. Why doesn't it want to work now? There we go. Oh god. Okay, yeah, so the barriers do cause a little bit of problems. So we'll just go ahead and down where they belong. Where they belong. And we may fix this bug some other time. I don't know. I don't feel like doing it right now. I'm gonna go, I don't know, play Elden Ring or something. Bye.